Hello everyone, welcome to our science exploration video. Today, the focus is on the influence of genes on obesity in both dogs and humans. Pippa, a Labrador retriever puppy. At first the puppy appears cute and clueless, but when the word biscuit is heard, the demeanor changes instantly. Ears are pricked. The puppy sits attentively and even woofs on command. A study was conducted to understand how genes affect obesity in dogs and people. Genetic factors account for 40 to 70% of human obesity, and the rest is due to life experience. Labrador retrievers were chosen because of their well-known love for treats. Saliva samples from pet owners were collected over more than 10 years, and the results are striking. Dogs share not only a home with their owners, but also obesity genes. Both dogs and humans evolved in an environment with cycles of food, abundance, and scarcity. Brain mechanisms drive hunger and fullness to maintain energy levels. Fat serves as an energy reserve when food is scarce. Genes play a role in regulating these signals and can make it harder to stay lean. One gene in particular, called DEND1B, influences obesity in Labradors. Dogs with a problematic version of this gene carry about 8% more body fat. In humans, the effect is more subtle, but it reveals a new role for DEND1B in the brain. This gene is produced alongside melanocortin receptors, which work with a hormone called leptin. More fat produces more leptin, and the hormone helps control hunger and energy use. DEND1B alters the signaling of these receptors in a way that affects body weight. Research also measured the overall genetic risk of obesity in dogs using questionnaires on appetite, activity, and dietary control. High-risk dogs display a stronger appetite and tend to pester their owners for food or scavenge for scraps. A funny note is found in the big brown eyes that convince owners to share treats. Low-risk dogs tend to remain lean even when diet and exercise are less strictly managed. This observation is similar in people, where genes that increase appetite make it harder to maintain a healthy weight. Slim people are not morally superior. They simply have a genetic advantage in food regulation. The study also observed that guide dogs tend to have a higher genetic risk than pet Labradors. This may indicate that a strong desire for food has been selected in the breeding of working dogs. An owner once remarked that the dogs are easy to train because they will do anything for a biscuit. This exploration highlights how genetic factors influence body weight in both dogs and humans. It provides insight into the complex biological systems that evolved to manage energy during times of plenty and scarcity. Understanding these genetic influences may help develop future treatments for obesity that target melanocortin receptors. The findings remind us that the genes influencing obesity have an important role in survival and energy balance. Thank you for joining this science journey. Stay curious and keep exploring the amazing world of biology and genetics. Goodbye, and see you next time.